Let's start by building strength and coordination by practicing the 4-finger exercise. We're going to start with our first finger and pinch or press down on the first string, which is called E. Make sure you press down right next to the metal fret to get the best sound possible. Then we're going to move onto the second finger and second fret and pinch next to the metal fret, and then with our third finger on the third fret, and finally our pinky on the fourth fret. Then you're going to go backwards. 4, 3, 2, 1. Now you're going to try to do that pattern all the way up to the 6th string. This is a great warm-up to do every time you sit down to practice.